Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your hair color on PicsArt. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my PicsArt application on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to create new project on PicsArt. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and I'm going to select one of my photos from my gallery. For example, I'm going to choose photo from the pins folder and I'm going to click on see all, and for instance I'm going to choose this one. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the retouch menu. We can go to the retouch menu to change our hair color or change our makeup, and here we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the hair color, and you just need to choose the color you want to apply to your hair. And I'm going to try it one by one guys. As you can see, we have a lot of options here. I'm just going to change it to blue. Okay, and we can adjust the intensity and also the saturation. Okay, you can play around with the intensity and the saturation right here to get the best result for your hair. Okay, and you can also change the hair manually. If you want to change the hair color manually, you can go to the manual and then you can brush across your hair to change it. But here I'm just going to use automatic hair color. So this is the final result. And if you're not satisfied with the result, you can select the eraser and you'll be able to delete the hair color or erase the hair color. But I'm just going to get back the color. I think the red color is good. Okay, I'm just going to apply this red or orange color to this girl's hair. And once you're done, you can click on the check mark, and this is the result guys. You can click on this icon to save the photo to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change your hair color on PicsArt. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.